Hello YouTube. Today's video is about my 2008 SAAB 93 and the AC or HVAC issue that I had, and what were the symptoms and how to fix it. So you can see this car has about 120,000 miles on it, and the symptoms were that when you try to turn on the fan on the AC, and you know, this is late July or middle of July 2023, and there was no fan. The blower motor fan was not working at all, and so you can probably do some testing, but when that happens, usually it's because the blower fan resistor module has failed. So the blower fan resistor module lives beneath or behind this glove box, and all you need is to remove the glove box with a T25 Torx screwdriver. And so this is what I did. And so there is basically a T25 Torx here. There's another T25 right there, and then there's a T25 in the middle right there. Once you take away all this stuff, you'll be able to see it right there. And then below the glove box, you also have a couple of T25s, and so you'll be able to find them if you get down there. So once you do that, basically you'll be able to see the blower fan resistor module, and this is what it looks like. And you can see that it's going to be mounted just like this, and you just have to remove the connector from this side, and then there's two T20 Torx screws that attaches this to the bottom of the blower motor. And you can do some testing with this to test the connector plug and see if there's power going in, but for me it was very obvious that this thing has failed, because there was no fan action at all, not at any speed. And so I wanted to make this short video to help those of you that may be experiencing that kind of problem. And I changed it out, and then the fan started working immediately. And I've been driving it for the past 200-300 miles, and things are good in that regard. So so hopefully this helps you, and if you like the video, please hit like and subscribe, and God bless you. I'll talk to you soon.